Good morning, everyone. It's about 50 degrees on a beautiful June morning in North Carolina. This is a cold start on a 2013 Scion FRS. If you're my neighbor and you're trying to sleep in this Saturday morning, I'm really sorry, but man, I need some headers. Still sounds good, but we need some headers. Let's go to Cars and Coffee. Of course we need gas. Cars and Coffee in Concord, North Carolina. It's actually at Charlotte Motor Speedway. I've been to the Speedway quite a few times, but I've never been to Cars and Coffee Concord. It's a newer event, so had a couple options this morning. I chose this one because I've never been. Hopefully I'll meet some cool people out there and see some awesome cars. We're in the Subaru right now. Just fueled up a little bit. It's sounding really good because it's kind of chilly out here this morning. First off, I just want to start by saying thank you so much. I just hit 200 subscribers last night. I know it doesn't sound like much, but I just started this channel about 2 months ago and I had no idea where it was going to go. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank everybody that has subscribed to this channel, everybody that's watched my videos. I'm going to keep trying to bring you guys some cool content and see where we can go from here. So thanks again. This isn't the beginning, or this isn't the end rather, this is just the beginning. So thank you so much. If you haven't already, please do me a huge favor. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me a comment, and follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram name in the comments below. So let's go to Cars and Coffee. Let's see what's up there. Welcome to Charlotte Motor Speedway. Got the speedway over here, the drag strip, and dirt track over here. Like I said, I've been here a few times, well, actually a lot of times, but I've never been here for Cars and Coffee Concord. So looking forward to seeing what shows up. Got a nice, I think, GTO in front of me. Oh yeah, that GTO is sick. See a few cars over there. Beetle pulling in. I already see another FRS, so let's go see what's up over there. That's nice, man. So, when did you get your BRZ?
I got it about 8 months ago.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Kind of the same story with him.
Yeah.
I saw it in blue, and
you had to get it.
I had to get it in blue.
Yeah, the blue on the BRZ is definitely my favorite color on those.
It's hard to clean.
Yeah, I'm sure. I've always had black cars.
Yeah. There's another owner in the group. Yeah.
That's not you.
Just so we're clear.
I do like you too. It's a BRZ with an unequal link header and a tune. Definitely gives it a little bit more of that rumble.
Yeah?
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's something new.
Yeah. A lot of times
all the ends. That's cool. Yeah.
Man, I love these Vipers. Holy crap, that color.
Nice color.
Love that color. I would love to take that car on that track. This is what I want. Look at all that carbon. Beautiful.
Alright, you want to look at the engine?
Oh, you're good, dude. Check this out. Ford GT. Man, that is sick. Check that out. Now this music's really loud. I don't think YouTube's gonna like that. Man, that thing is beautiful.
Is that the gas tank on the way?
Dude.
What's that transmission cooler?
Yeah, that's the training lines. Those are the cool ones. So the radiator's got dash control all the way to the
Look how
back.
low this thing is. Check out this. It's got a grocery cart roof rack. This is pretty cool. It's got a giant sub in the back. Definitely custom. That thing's cool.
So close to the rear wing.
Check out that CR1. Man, that thing is sweet.
Most of my friends there.
So walked around the show. This is Robert's 2016 Scion FRS. That really cool color. It drove all the way to Boston, 14 hours just to pick out this car. It's only got 12,000 miles. I just can't get over that color. The show's kind of winding down, but all the music's off. Couldn't really film too much out here. There was a lot of really loud copyrighted music, so definitely could put that on YouTube. Met two other FRS BRZ owners. They're awesome. Huge shout out to them. We're gonna meet up sometime and get the cars together, go out and cruise with some of the other Charlotte 86 owners. It's a lot of fun here at Cars and Coffee Concord. Just seeing what else is left. Got some cool cars, some muscle cars. Some people showed up late. Got to see the Ford GT. I love this little drifting truck out here. Really like the color on this Velociter. I don't think I've ever seen one like that. It's got the cool front splitter. But the best part of the show, free Red Bull. I'll chug that, even though we just drank some coffee. And of course, my favorite car at the show, the Subaru. Charlotte Motor Speedway. I've always thought about tracking this car. So what do you guys think? I've had it for almost 2 years now. It's never been on the track. It is my daily driver, so of course I'd have to get some wheels and tires specifically for the track so I don't ruin anything. But I definitely think I might get it out on the track sometime. They actually do track days here at Charlotte Motor Speedway. They've got the Interfield one. It looks like a really cool big track. I've never been on one. I've drag raced cars before, but never been on like an auto course or road course. So really thinking about doing that. I know some of the other FRS owners, they do it as well, so we might get it out there. So again, huge shout out to Cars and Coffee Concord. It was my first time coming here. Like I said, couldn't really film way too much. The music was really, really loud, so I tried to get a few cars on video at least. But I met two guys with a FRS and a BRZ. Had a lot of fun walking around with them, chit-chatting about cars. They had a lot of questions about the modifications on my car. Both of theirs were pretty close to stock, but they're really, really nice. Like I said, the FRS has a 2016. There's only 1,000 of them in that color. There are only about 200 in the manual, and his was a manual transmission. He flew up to Boston. He had never driven a manual transmission car actually until he got there, and drove that one all the way back home, about 14 hours learning how to drive a stick. Drove it through New York City too in rush hour traffic, so he really got the full experience. But anyway, he really, really likes that car. We'll probably meet up and go to some more car shows together with some other FRS 86 and BRZ owners. Today was a really, really good one. I look forward to coming back out here again. I did just want to say thank you so much again for 200 subscribers. I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks for watching this one as well. If you haven't already, please smash that like and subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll drop my link in the description there. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.